This is the Cylon version 2 motor prototype. We haven't imported these yet. It's very similar to the GONZO Junior, so we may do another batch of the GONZO Juniors first. On this version I did use the GONZO Junior coil, which is 70mm tall wind height, and then that way we can double up the leads. 4-gauge spring terminal, bolted down the spider, GONZO cone. I have GONZO logo. FS is 24.9, so we'll say 24. QTS is 0.7498, so we'll round up to 0.76. And then let's do the VAS. Oops. VAS is 3.3 cubic feet. So again, very typical. Because of that low FS, you don't need to put it in 3.3 cubic feet. You can actually go smaller, and that's because of the high BL and all the windings on the coil. So again, standard for a 15 though is 3 to 4 cubic foot, and then anywhere from 32 to 36 hertz, depending on your taste in music. When you're choosing your tuning frequency, that's basically an equalizer. That's how you can use it if you want. So most people like, though, about 32, 33 hertz. That seems to be the magic number. I have had people that like, you know, like 80s rock, hair metal, things like that, like a quick punch. And so we tune it up a little higher, 36, no more than 40. And it gives that quick punch that a lot of people like. And then you want to make sure you tune your low pass crossover, again, at least 100 hertz, if not higher, 120, 150. And what that does is that it gives you lots of mid bass, right? That's what you're looking for. So yeah, there's an argument in my head I don't want to get into, but this one I think we're doing for 400 shipped, and I will be building a few more of these coming up here when I have time. Right now we have to finish again some more orders, but it's like I don't have time for custom orders, but I do have time for spec builds, and by the time we start taking orders again, I will have a lot bigger inventory that we can work with for you guys. So, and I got back from the CPA today. We're doing all the paperwork for Blackjack Audio, and that's looking good. And then when we finally get that all ready to launch, probably I'm thinking mid next year, 2025, like summer 2025, we should be able to do a lot of really cool stuff. But thanks for watching, guys. I love you. Bye.